Welcome to Mexico City. In this video, we are in Mexico City looking for the best local authentic street food. Tacos al pastor, carnitas, huaraches, sopes, pollo, birria, street corn, and so much more. Make sure to like and subscribe for more great street food videos, recipes, and everything food. So we are headed to Mexico for 3 weeks with Pat's family. We're gonna go to Mexico City, Huatulco, León, and a few other places to check out the awesome food and everything cool. But of course we gotta travel Mexican style. Dad, you having fun?
I am, just a blast. It's my favorite part.
What's up, guys? We just landed in Mexico City and we are waiting for our ride. And tonight we are gonna get some al pastor, and then for the next 2 weeks we're gonna do food in Mexico City. We're gonna go down to Oaxaca. We're gonna do an ultimate food tour, Mexican style. But first, let's go get some tacos al pastor. Right now we're just walking downtown in Mexico City, and we are on the hunt for the best tacos al pastor. We're stopping at a couple places that were recommended, and we're getting 3 kilos, about 6 pounds of al pastor. But first, a snack. It is al pastor, or shepherd style, is a traditional Mexican dish of marinated pork shoulder. The cooking style is derived from the Lebanese immigrants, who brought with them their famous lamb shawarma. The meat is stacked and cooked on a vertical rotisserie. It's cooked on the outside and shaved layer by layer. Now while we wait for them to prepare our meat, we're going to try some more unique cuts of meat. Okay, here I have tacos de eyeball, ojos, y tacos de lengua, or cow tongue.
Tacos de al pastor. Los mejores tacos de pastor
de México.
De México, sí. No se puede negar.
Good morning. Today we are heading across town to meet with Roxana's family to prepare things for a big birthday party celebration. But first, we're going to head into the market and grab some breakfast. ¿Y qué vas a comer?
¿Qué vamos a comer? Lacoyos.
¿Lacoyos?
De haba, de pollo.
Quesadilla con todo. Okay, we are here, and tonight we're having a big party, una fiesta grande con la familia y todo. Okay, one thing we have to do every time, get a michelada. And we just grabbed these bad boys. Look at the size of these things. All right, cheers, brother. Cheers. Oh yeah.
When in Mexico,
Micheladas. We're going across the street for the fiesta, the party.
gusto y qué bonita.
Good morning, everybody. Today we're heading to the market, the Jamaica market. Huge market down here in Mexico City. We're gonna check out flowers and some food.
And dicks.
And big dicks.
Yeah.
I missed it all. And market, they're all competing to get us in there. I think it's because Pat's with us, and they're like, "Damn, he's hunky." Yeah. Breakfast time.
Si quieres, dile que llegue en la noche.
They put the beans inside the masa, the corn, folded up. So dip it in the oil. Oh yeah. And then she'll flatten it out on the hot grill there. Look at the size of it. Muy grande. Look at the size of this thing. Where do you even start, man? I don't know if I'm gonna be able to finish this, but let's give it a try. There's beans inside. That's a lot of corn. Market of flowers. El Mercado Jamaica is a massive market noted for its fresh flower vendors. But that's not all this impressive market has to offer. You can find most things typical of a Mexican market, such as produce, foods, clothing, and many other things. We're here to pick up some flowers for Roxana. Then she will take them to the famous church, the Basilica de Guadalupe, to keep a promise to a friend. Yeah, but I usually spin it on my pito. Been here first. This is the new church. That's the old. All right, today we are in the second largest market in Mexico City. We're gonna go find some food and buy some sweets to bring back. It's gonna be good. She gets this big ass of candy. She promised me space in the bag, but I don't think it's gonna happen. Oh, it will. There's 4 of them. El Mercado de la Merced is one of Mexico City's largest markets, and it is noted for its huge selection of candy. You can get just about anything you want here, from beds to dental work to food, sweets, clothes, knockoff items.
cool place to check out. Central.
Te va a tomar video así.
Papitas, frijol y chicharrón. 5 tacos de canasta, 10 pesos. 5 tacos, 10 pesos. 5 tacos de canasta y chicharrón. 5 tacos de canasta, 10 pesos. 5 tacos, 10 pesos.
Qué rico. Why didn't we stop there, Pat?
And now we're checking out the Central Plaza in downtown Mexico City, where you will find the Capitol building and many other government offices. It's also the location of the Museum of Templo Mayor, where you can see the ruins of the ancient city Tenochtitlan that Cortez built over the top of during the Spanish conquest.
Sorry everybody, lo siento, mi esposo no frenó a tiempo.
Now this is probably my favorite food we had in Mexico City, and quite possibly the cheapest. This is a street vendor near the house we were staying at, and he is serving some of the biggest tacos de carnitas I have ever seen.
Sí, está bien. Muy bien, tengo salsa de las dos y rajas con habanero.
Now that is a taco. Alright guys, last day here in Mexico City, and we are heading to get some birria right now. Walking to a market. Try to find a place that they know, but who knows? We'll just see what happens.
Y el plato viene es un plato supero con su carne, su caldo y se les dan tortillas.
Looks very hot.
¿Sí? Pedimos un vaso.
Alright guys, we are here in the airport, leaving Mexico. We made it. We made it. We lived. We lived. Let us know what you guys think in the comment section below if you want to see more videos, and if you want us to come back here. Till the next one.
Make sure you guys like and subscribe, and check out the rest of our videos in our Mexico Ultimate Food Tour series. We go down to Huatulco, León, Guanajuato, Xochimilco, and we get some awesome seafood and great local specialties from everywhere. Don't miss Pat's once-in-a-lifetime catch and the hundreds of dolphins that surrounded our fishing boat. It was truly an amazing experience, and I want to thank everybody that shared it with me. Y hasta la próxima vez, Bigs afuera.